In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're experiencing an issue with Windows 10 where it appears to be reinstalling apps after a new feature upgrade or update, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle here. And we're going to go ahead and just jump right into it. So first things first, I'm going to have a paste bin link in the description of my video because this is kind of a long registry entry here. So we're going to be creating a registry modification, and before you ever do anything with the registry, I would highly suggest that you make a backup of it. And in order to do that, it's very simple. Just would open up the start menu, type in regedit, so regedit. Best match to come back to registry editor. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. Now you want to left click on the File tab up at the top and left click on Export. Save the file name as whatever you want. Generally speaking, I think if you name it the date in which you're making the backup, that's usually a smart move. And then save it to a convenient location on your computer and make sure export range is selected to all and then left click on save. And then if you ever had to go back from that backup, you just would do File and Import and just navigate to the file. So very simple. Close out of here. Now, like I said, there's going to be some pasting into a notepad file. So again, there should be a link in my description here. Way too long for anybody to actually type it out if you want to. I mean, you're more than welcome to, but it's a little long here. So basically, once you have it pasted into a notepad file, so you saw I just opened up the start menu, typed in notepad, you want to go left click on the file tab, left click on where it says save as. Save as type, you want to click the drop down here and select all files. And file name, you want to name it something that's easily recognizable, so I'm just going to call it apps, but it's very important that you add a .reg on the end. So whatever you want to name, it's fine, but you want to add a .reg. I'm going to save it to my desktop here, so I'm just going to click on the backspace, so clicking on this PC, and then I'm going to double click on desktop. Again, make sure file type is set to all files, and then left click on save. Should be on the desktop now, so you can close out of there. You want to go ahead and double click on the registry file on our desktop now. If you get user account control prompt, left click on yes. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to continue? Left click on yes. Should say successfully added, left click on OK. Restart your computer and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.